Good morning, grade 3. This week we will be continuing our lessons on digital citizenship and online safety. This week's lesson is called Shared Jumpers. And the essential question we'll be thinking about with this lesson is, what information is safe and smart to put online? The objectives are, we hope that you will think of the benefits of sharing online while realizing that information can spread fast and far. You'll be able to classify information that should be kept private online. And you should be able to predict the effect that an online post or message might have on someone's reputation. New vocabulary for this lesson is private information, which are details about yourself, such as your date of birth or full name, that someone could use to pretend to be you on the internet. Why don't you, if you have a chance today, write the word secret on a piece of paper and then erase it. And here I have done this for us. And this is what it looks like when I erased it. Was I able to erase the word secret completely? No. Even though I did erase it and it's no longer there, you can still see it. If you were to write this secret on the internet, such as in a Facebook post or a Snapchat post or an email or a comment on a website or even Google Classroom for that matter, and then you decided to take it down a day later, do you think it would be gone? Think about that for a moment. Well, the answer is no. It would not be gone. And it wouldn't be gone because people can take screenshots and screen recordings. So anything, whether it is a picture, text, a video, anything that you put out on the internet, even if you decide to take it down, delete it at some later point, it could be out there forever if somebody has taken a screenshot or a screen recording of that and saved it or shared it. So you really, really want to be careful what information you put out there, because it is possible that even if you want it to be gone, it won't be. Let's watch this video on Eva's story and see how this affected her.
Me and my friend, we were having a sleepover, and so we were chatting with our friend on the computer. We're talking about personal stuff and things, because we didn't think that anyone else would see, because it's on our email. We have a password, right, so no one can see. And we said some inappropriate things, and then her dad, he was on her email, and he came upon the chat that we were on, and then he emailed the chat that we had to my mom. My mom was asking me why I would say that stuff, and yeah, I still don't really know why. I probably wouldn't say that in person because it's inappropriate, and I knew that. If you're talking to someone in person, you're face to face, and then you're actually having a real conversation. It's easier to experiment online. It seems like it is your diary in a way, because you think you have a password and it's secret, but it's not secret, and people can get in and look at your stuff. I think you'd think that it goes away, you just press, delete, then, not on my plate anymore. Maybe no one will see it publicly, but I think that people can see it. I don't think it actually goes away forever. Stuff online is not private. Anyone can find out, even if it was the person who I was chatting right next to, or if it was the person who I was chatting wherever they are. They can show someone else. They can print it out. You do have to be careful.
So here you saw Eva's story and how she and her friends were emailing back and forth and saying things that were inappropriate, and they didn't think anyone was going to see it, but the truth is you just don't know who's going to see the things that you put out there. And so you always want to be careful. So now I'm going to show you how to play the game called Share Jumpers. Just wait for it to load. So you can start a new game if you've played once already and you want to play again and you remember your username, you can resume a game. And there is a new feature on these which allows you to choose your language. So if you are a Spanish speaker, you can click on Choose Language right here and you can get Spanish. Este juego también viene en español y te mostraré cómo encontrarlo en el video. Inglés, español. Okay, so I'm going to start a new game and I need to come up with a password. And I'm going to play the game. And like our other games, there's often some reading that needs to occur, especially on this game. Really important that you read everything on the page. Posting on the internet can be as fun as jumping on a trampoline. Sharing the right info can send you flying high. Sharing the wrong info can make you tumble and fall. Can you make the right choices? Click on platforms to jump toward them. And so we want to get launching here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this platform to get launched here. This icon shows that the post is public, such as in a chat room. When something is public, you don't want to share it. So now I have to look at these two options and decide which one is okay to share. Call me at my number 222-1212 or call me, you know my number. Let's see what happens if I share my phone number. Oh, that was public information. So now I need to start over. Call me, you know my number. We don't want to give our phone number out to people that we don't know. Okay, and so this is how you play the game. I hope you enjoy it, and you can always send me an email or a Google Classroom post if you need additional help. Good luck, and I will see you in the chat this week.